So it's me back again, and I'm going on a hike on this gorgeous day. As you can see, it's so warm outside, like I don't even need this jacket. And I've been getting a lot of comments about like Lyme disease, and it's not that bad. Why are you guys so worried? Who are you? Like, Lyme disease is totally curable. It's fine. Well, I don't think Lyme disease is that fun. It doesn't really have an official cure. There's a version that's chronic and people don't know why it's chronic, and a bunch of other things. It can cause any sort of issue in your body. It can fail your organs. It's commonly misdiagnosed, not only due to lack of understanding from doctors. The fact that Lyme disease is the great mimic, and it can mimic a bunch of diseases such as fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue syndrome, all these sorts of things, and it can just sort of wreak havoc on your body even before you know what it is. And when you do find out what it is, sometimes it's not that great because you can't really stop it. It's just sort of sad. The United States government does not admit to there being a chronic version, and severely misreports the amount of diagnoses per year. Not everyone who gets Lyme disease has a bullseye rash, and that's something that you need for a legal diagnosis. And even the tests are less than 60% accurate in some cases. The most accurate test we have, which most doctors don't use, is 85% accurate. Not that great if you ask me. Lyme disease isn't that bad. Well, I've had it before, so I can't get it again, guys. No big deal. You lost out. What are you talking about? Actually, you can get Lyme disease any number of times. You could either be cured and then get bit again. You can never end up being cured and just the doctor says you were cured, or you believe that you were because you started feeling better or something like that and you had just never gotten rid of it. And also, every time you get bit, you have a risk for what is called co-infection. So Lyme disease is not the only thing that ticks carry. Ticks carry several other things that are very bad and can mess up things that you've gotten in your system, such as mono or strep throat, to lead you to have chronic versions of those viruses, which can continue for the rest of your life, even if you do get rid of Lyme disease, and not everyone can. So it's not that great. Update, I found like a tick on myself. You can see it there. You just gotta burn it. That's what you gotta do. It sucks, but you gotta do it. No, not again. No, I'm right about this one. I know that I'm right about this one. No. Actually, along with other common myths, that it takes 24 to 48 hours of the tick having bitten you for you to get Lyme disease, and other things, the best way to get a tick off of you is to either use a tick comb or to pull out toward the head with tweezers. Those are the safest ways to get rid of a tick, because if you squeeze it, burn it, or put chemicals on it, it can regurgitate into you, which makes your chance of getting Lyme disease even higher, or the other co-infections that I mentioned last time. Don't talk like that. Okay guys, well I guess I gotta end this. I have a fight I gotta do. I'm going to end off this vlog, and I would just like to say that Lyme disease is nothing to be messed with. It's pretty scary. Not a lot of people know a lot about it, including doctors, who a lot of times call it Lyme's disease, which is sort of alarming when doctors don't even know what your disease is actually called, much less how to treat it or anything with it. So roll up those socks, put on that bug repellent, and don't get Lyme disease. Bye guys!